We recently stayed at this hostel that is right by King's Cross. It is now owned by Kabanna instead of by HA, but we would absolutely recommend it. Be sure you reserve your room in advance, like 6 to 10 months in advance if you have a particular need. It is still an extremely affordable option for central London. We had plenty of room, plenty of storage. We would not be considered youth or elder, but we had our own dedicated shower and bathroom at about a third of the cost, and that's critical, at least to us. So we found it really quite livable and good. There is a TV lounge, which we thought was quite nice. You can also use their laundry for free currently, although detergent I think is £2 for 2 loads worth. Machines are easy to use and they enable you to pack a little bit lighter. Breakfast is available. It's a little starchy by my standards, but still very affordable, and it is available, which is nice. Couple hacks for this one. Stay at level 4 or above if you can to avoid London's deafening noise, and be aware that the dorm shower is bigger and quite a bit nicer than the private rooms, although I'm not sure about the ethics of using that. Anyhow, this is a look at Kabanna, London St Pancras, and I hope you enjoyed it.